Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable offline mode in Google Maps to navigate without an internet connection, follow these step-by-step instructions to download maps to your device for offline use. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi for faster map downloads and to avoid using mobile data. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu and settings. Step 3. Select offline maps from the menu options. This feature allows you to download specific geographic areas for offline navigation and search. Step 4. Tap, select your own map to choose a custom area to download, or select one of the suggested maps based on your recent searches and frequent locations. Step 5. Use 2 fingers to zoom in and out on the map to select the area you want to download. The size indicator at the bottom shows how much storage space the selected area will require. Step 6. Adjust the map boundaries until you've captured the area you need. Consider including areas around your destination in case you need to navigate to nearby locations. Step 7. Tap Download and wait for the map to save to your device. Larger areas take longer to download and use more storage space on your phone. Step 8. Access your offline maps by going to your profile menu and selecting Offline Maps to view, update, or delete downloaded map areas. Offline maps expire after 30 days and need to be updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.